Hey guys, how's it going? All right, so we got ourselves another daily meditation. Remember, these are simple meditations that are meant for any level of someone that practices meditation, whether you're a beginner or this is something that you've been doing for a while. It's just a really great way to just come to a seat or lying down, whichever you prefer, and just take a few minutes to just focus on one thing. That's all meditation really is. It's just putting your focus and your attention into one thing. Taking a moment to just put your attention to the sound of my voice, knowing that there's nothing else you have to do besides listen to me. So go ahead and get yourself nice and comfortable. Find a seat or lying down, whatever feels best for you. If you are lying down, I suggest to try and stay awake unless you're doing this before you go to bed, in which case, if my voice helps you fall asleep, then so be it. So start to settle yourself in. Start to make any adjustments that you need. Shifting the body around, making sure your clothes are nice and comfortable. There's nothing in your face, nothing weighing you down, nothing pulling you. And when you're ready, shut down your eyes. Let's just take our attention straight to our breath. Just noticing it first. Just paying some attention to it. And trying to see, where do you feel your breath most? Do you feel it in the belly, in the chest, the back of the throat, the nose? And then now let's just start to manipulate the breath just a little bit. Starting to deepen our inhales and our exhales. Starting at your belly, just start to breathe in through your nose, filling up, imagining the air as it travels from your belly through your chest, through your throat, all the way to the nose. And then start to slowly exhale, going in reverse direction from the nose to the throat, the chest, the belly. Another big inhale. Same thing, watching it travel through your body. And then take another long exhale. One more, just like that. You're doing a great job. Another inhale, the belly, chest, throat, nose, and then gently exhale. Take your time. There is no rush. And just take your breath back to whatever is natural. Maybe you want to keep your long, deep breaths. Maybe you want to find a shallower breath. It is completely up to you. There is no right, there is no wrong way. Just simply notice the flow of your breath. Make yourself at home. Once you accept yourself unconditionally, you'll be surprised at how comfortable you begin to feel, no matter where you are. We may have tricked ourselves into thinking our security came from outside ourselves, that we needed certain other people or places, needed certain objects or items around us, or had to live our lives in a particular way to feel secure. But relying on things and people outside ourselves provides a false sense of security. False security will be shown for what it is. There's real security, a true safety available to us all, no matter who we are, where we are, or what we're doing. That security comes from accepting ourselves. That security comes from trusting ourselves, trusting our hearts, our wisdom, our connection to the divine and to the universe around us. Once we accept ourselves unconditionally, no matter where we are, it will feel like home. Continue to lie here and breathe for as long as you need to. Continue to allow any thoughts, ideas, or feelings that might have come up from listening to that meditation. Just allow yourself to sit with these thoughts. Remember, you do not have to attach yourself to the thought. You can simply practice noticing your thoughts, noticing your ideas, noticing your feelings without attaching to every single one of them. Knowing that we have the ability to pick and choose what we give our attention to. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, evening, afternoon, weekend. I'll see you here again soon. Thank you, and namaste.